Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I wanted to hop on here and say hi to everyone. How are you all doing during this safer at home quarantine situation? I am getting a tad stir crazy, I won't lie. I just miss like going to the mall. The mall's completely closed here, all restaurants are closed, and I just miss, going shopping. I've been doing a lot of online shopping. It's not good for my pocketbook. But I just miss like being able to go walk around the shops, go to TJ Maxx, go to restaurants and enjoy the dining in experience. So it's been a little rough over here. Not too bad though. I do keep busy with all of my crochet. I've been crocheting a lot. I was actually going to ask everybody, first off, please share your work, what you're working on, your WIPs, your work in progress in the comments section. If you're on YouTube, type in what you're working on this week, and if you're on Facebook, snap a photo of what you're working on and share it in the comment section of this video. I would love to see all of your work, and it just inspires me to crochet more and come up with new ideas for everybody. And since we're not filming tutorials, I have actually been expanding my creativity. The other day I posted that I've been actually doing coloring. I actually got, someone gifted me an adult coloring book that was all henna inspired mandalas, and it's so beautiful, and I can express myself through the colors and the designs, and it's just really beautiful, and it's really relaxing, just like crocheting. It's very therapeutic, I would say. So I really enjoy that. My mom is getting into puzzles, and she recommended that I get a puzzle and try that out. But I feel like if I did a puzzle, I don't know, my patience is very low. So I don't know if I would have the patience for a puzzle, and trying to figure that out, I'd just get super frustrated. But I'm willing to give it all a try, at least. I'm staying positive during this whole quarantine, trying to at least. So that's what's going on here, though. I'm really expanding my creativity in other ways. I'm doing house projects. I'm getting all the things done and all my crochet projects. I'm banking up a lot of projects so that when we are able to film, we have a lot of content to share with all of you. And I do plan on sharing patterns, like written instructions, before videos, but videos are what we do here at YARNutopia, video tutorials, and that's what we want to stick with. So I hope to film soon once the safer at home order is complete, so hopefully that is sooner rather than later. But other than that, I do want to mention that this weekend is Stash Buster weekend. Join my group on Facebook, YARNutopia World, and you can go to the events tab and then click Stash Buster weekend. Go put that you're going to it. It's virtual, so you can do it from the comfort of your own home. And since we're all home, I hope you all join. And once you are in the group and in the event, this weekend we'll have fun games, we'll have stash buster projects, and since we're not filming, so I'm going to be resurrecting a few of my old patterns and using stash busting. I mean, look at this yarn that I have, just like half skeins, little mini scraps of yarn that's like random materials. Like, my cat got into this one. But you can see just like random balls of yarn that are different mediums. Look at, I love this one. That's a cool ball of yarn. These are all random. I just have one skein of this. So I started a hat, and this is one of my old patterns, so I'm gonna resurrect it, but I use all kinds of different yarns for this, and look at it. I started the hat. I have to close it in the bottom to fit around my head. But I'm making this cute little slouchy hat. So that's one of the projects that I'm going to be sharing this weekend. I am going to be sharing another one that I'm just going to use one of my old patterns and bring it back to life using scrap yarns. So you can do the same. You can do the same projects as me, or you can do your own projects and just bust through your stash. If you have random pieces of yarn, I know I posted in the group, or in the event in the group, different stash busting projects from fabulous designers, so make sure you check that out. But yeah, I'm really excited for the event and hanging out with all of you. These events are so much fun, and I try to do 1 or 2 a month and just hang out with everybody and have a good time crocheting, laughing, and drinking, eating, whatever we want, and crocheting all day. Actually, it's going to be a full weekend project, so all weekend, and I'll go live and we'll just have a good chat, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, besides crocheting, I've just been coloring and probably gonna start a puzzle. And one more thing before I go, I do want to talk about during this time how you at home can support bloggers and crocheters like myself for free. I did make a post, a graphic post on Facebook yesterday, but I do want to reiterate the fact that you can view my videos just like you're viewing this one right now. Thank you for your views, viewing videos, viewing links to my blog, or all crocheters, all the blogs, give them all a view, sharing our links with your friends so then they can give us all a view. And if you stay on our page for more than 30 seconds, we get that impression, which is nice, and that helps us because we have advertisements on our videos and on our blogs, and that all those views and impressions help our pocketbook. So thank you to everyone who supports us and gives us a view. Also, you can share a post, you can comment on one of our posts, which I love seeing all your comments, by the way, and your pictures, and you can like a post, because especially on Facebook, when you like a post, it shows up that you liked it in your feed and all of your friends' feeds, and then they can see it too. So it gets more viewers, and viewers means more in our pocketbook. So that's really supportive for all of us, and we greatly appreciate all of your support in any way that you can. And also, a lot of us bloggers, we have a donate button or a support button on our websites. On all of my blogs, under the photos, I do have a donate button that you can support us in that way as well. And those are always greatly appreciated too. So we can continue to bring you great quality crochet content for free to all of you. So I hope that you are able to support us in any way possible, and thank you to those who have already and who have been with us from the beginning. You guys are so wonderful, and you are the reason why we do what we do and why we continue to do this. So I just love sharing the love of crochet and our passion together, and just seeing all the creativity. You guys are so talented, and I love sharing that with all of you. So all right, I'm gonna get all sappy because I care about all of you so much, and I care about this community, and I'm just glad you're all in it with me. So I'll stop talking now, but I just wanted to say thanks to everybody, and I hope that you have a great rest of your week and a great weekend, and I will see you next Wednesday. Happy hooking!